Welcome the our channel. Today we how to fix your weight with Jenny Craig easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Jenny Craig, start by understanding the program's core principles. Visit the official Jenny Craig website to gather essential information about the plan. Consider scheduling a free consultation with a trained consultant. During the consultation, discuss your weight loss goals and dietary preferences. After your consultation, you will receive a personalized meal plan tailored to your needs. Next, familiarize yourself with the food options available within the program. Jenny Craig provides a variety of meals, including breakfasts, lunches, dinners, and snacks. Select meals that appeal to your taste buds and align with your dietary restrictions. Use the Jenny Craig app to track your meals and progress. Plan your weekly menu based on the meals you've selected. This will help you stay organized and focused on your goals. Ensure you incorporate daily physical activity into your routine. Consult your consultant about suitable exercises that fit your lifestyle. Next, prepare your meals according to the guidelines provided by Jenny Craig. Include healthy additions like fresh vegetables and fruits alongside your meals. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Weigh yourself weekly to monitor your progress. Adjust your meal plan or exercise routine as needed with the help of your consultant. Stay connected with your consultant for accountability and motivation. Lastly, celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Maintaining a positive mindset will greatly contribute to your success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.